Today, I'm going to show you a completely free AI tool that can generate both images and videos. But before we start, take a look at this, the finance niche. This is one of the highest RPM niches, and today, we are creating content in this exact space. Make sure you don't skip this video, because what I'm about to share can seriously change your earning potential. First of all, let me explain something very important. High RPM niches. You need to focus on niches that actually pay. For example, there's a channel called Legend, Investor Mindset. It only has around 16.7K subscribers and just 34 videos, yet it's estimated to be earning around $7.1K views. Now let's look at another example. Nick Investor. This is a very popular channel with around 162K subscribers and over 213 videos. It is generating approximately $10.2K per month. And if you notice, this channel uploads long-form content, sometimes 18 minutes, 19 minutes, even up to 50 minutes long. That's exactly why it's making thousands of dollars consistently. So this video is extremely important if you want to learn about earning online using free AI tools.
Saving alone will not make you rich. Your money grows too slow. Invest. Let money work for you. Debt feels easy at first, but it traps you slowly. Control debt before it controls you. Middle class buys liabilities. They lose money every month. Rich people buy assets.
Now, I've already prepared something powerful for you, a master prompt. This master prompt includes everything you need: image prompts, video prompts, character prompts, simple voiceover, and extra voiceover. You'll find the link in the description. Just copy it, open ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, ChatGPT will give you character prompts, 10 image prompts, then video prompts in 3 steps, and finally, an extra voiceover script. Everything is ready for you. Next, step is simple. Generate images, convert them into videos, and then edit your final video. One important tip: convert your script into a professional English voiceover. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, no awkward gaps, and the flow feels natural. Also, your video intro must be highly engaging so viewers don't skip. So, for image generation, I will tell you about 2 tools. The first tool is Whisk AI, which is 100% free, and then the second tool is Flow AI. But let me tell you, today I will use Flow AI because it generates the best consistent images. Then you have to click on the plus icon. After that, you need to go to the channel reference section, take a screenshot from there, and upload it here. After uploading, again, make sure the ratio is selected. Then go to ChatGPT, take the prompt from there, copy it, and paste it here. Simply click on Generate. So guys, your generation will start. As you can see, the images have started generating, and in a short time, they will be ready. So you need to wait a little. Today, we are working in the finance niche, which is a high RPM niche. So as you can see in front of you, the first image is ready. Our character is completely different from before. The outfit is also different, like the green pants and overall appearance. So your first image is ready, and now you simply need to generate all images. First, upload the reference image, then paste the prompt and click Generate. Then again, reference image, then prompt, then generate. Again, reference image, then prompt, then generate. It is the same process, nothing complicated. In this way, you can generate 7 to 8 images. As you can see, So now you can see the images are ready. They look proper and very good. Different characters appear in different scenes, which makes the content more engaging. Now, our next step is video generation. For video generation, today, the tool we are going to use is GeminiGen AI. I will provide its link in the description. You simply need to come here and log in. After logging in, you will see that you get credits. It gives you free credits to start. Now, I will tell you which tools you can use here. After logging in, you will see the studio option. Click on it, then go to the video section. After going to the video section, you will find many tools here, like Google VO3, Grok AI, and Meta AI. These 3 tools are available here. I have personally used all 3 tools, but sometimes Meta AI and Google VO3 create problems during generation. However, Grok AI works perfectly and can generate videos for free. You can also generate images from here, but today I will show you video generation. If Google VO3 works for you, you can click on it. Simply upload your first reference image here, which you got from ChatGPT. Then take the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Select the ratio, set the quality to 720p, and click on Generate. As you can see, when we click Generate, sometimes it asks for a subscription. The same issue happens with Meta AI as well. These tools can have problems, but Grok AI is usually free and working. Now I will generate a video here. Click on Generate, then click Download. As you can see, within seconds the video is ready. Preview it and see how beautifully it has been generated. It is around 6 seconds long and even includes voiceover-style output. Simply download it, go back, select the next option, upload the next image, and repeat the process. Again, go to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, paste it here, select the image. Ratio 9:16. Keep the standard duration around 14 seconds, and click Generate. Now, as you can see, the next video generation has started, and in a short time, your video will be ready. This process is very simple and professional. In the same way, I generate all the videos. You can easily create 3 to 4 generations at once. Earlier, you saw that it generated only one video at a time, but now it can generate multiple videos easily. The finance niche that I told you about is 100% monetizable. YouTube cannot demonetize this easily because it is a safe and valuable niche. It is one of the best niches, and you can easily generate videos using AI. This is also a cartoon-style niche, as you can see. Now all the videos are ready. Preview them to see how beautiful and amazing they look. All the videos have been generated in the best possible way. Preview the videos and check how the voiceover has been generated. Similarly, the second, third, and fourth videos are also ready. Now, everything is ready. Now, once all your videos are ready, your last step is editing. This is a very important step because this is where everything comes together. For editing, we are not going to choose tools like CapCut. Instead, we will use a free tool that you can easily access from your web browser. The tool we will use is Filmora. Simply open Filmora and import all your videos. After importing, add them one by one to the timeline. Once everything is added, you can simply apply transitions. You can use things like black fade if you want. You can also add sound effects, background music, text, and captions. By adding these elements, you can make your video more engaging because editing is very important. The better your editing is, the better your results will be. Once everything is done, simply click on Export and export your video in 4K at 60 FPS because this gives the best quality. After that, you need to create your channel. I have already explained in my previous video how to create a channel like this, how to set it up properly, and how to make an AI channel that can get monetized. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure to watch it. Create a similar channel and start uploading. Then see how consistently you upload videos every month. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.